Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this 2018 Nissan Altima 2.5 SV. Powering this sedan is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 1-speed constantly variable transmission that can get you just 6 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the trunk of the vehicle, you have lots of storage area as well as the release for your 60/40 split folding rear seats. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express up and down on the front 2 windows. You have your trunk release and heated steering wheel on the dash, your hands-free audio, as well as cruise control on the steering wheel. This vehicle currently has 143,870 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, dual zone automatic climate controls, your power port, gear select, as well as heated front seats. You also have premium cloth seats and the driver's is power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the sun and moon roof. You also have pockets in the back of both front seats, rear AC, as well as 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center. If you would like to see this 2018 Nissan Altima 2.5 SV in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.